If your printer is printing gray streaks or lines across a page, you may need to do some service. This may include replacement of one or a few parts. I'm going to show you what you might want to look out for. And I'm going to show you how to empty the waste tray in this Brother printer instead of purchasing a new one. The waste tray is one of the components that can cause prints like this with black lines and edges. Step one is to open up the face of the printer and remove your drum unit with all of the ink cartridges. This drum unit is one thing that may need to be serviced. You can clean it out. If that doesn't resolve your problem, go ahead and replace it. Link in the description below to get your own. Just look up this part number. Flip this lever to remove the drum. Set that to the side. Below that, you'll find your belt unit. This may also need to be replaced. These last about 50,000 prints. You can check the number of prints cycling through the menu on your printer. Buy a new one if needed and simply slide it in.
By the way, does your bulky wallet hurt your butt when sitting on it in your back pocket? In your front pocket, does your fat wallet leave an unsightly silhouette? The thin wallet is exactly what you need. At only 6 millimeters thick when packed with 8 cards and cash, thin is less than half the thickness of the typical bifold or trifold wallet. The trick? Thin does not fold. Cards, cash, and wallet material are not all stacked on top of one another. Further, thin bends to conform to your body shape and movements. All the while, thin fits in your back pocket, front pocket, or bag. Thin wallet is comfortable, sleek, and invisible in your pocket. Order Thin, the world's slimmest wallet, at the link below. Your butt will thank you.
And this is the waste tray. Part number seen here. If it feels heavy, it's probably full of a whole lot of waste ink. You can look up this part number or check the description below to get a new waste tray, or you can empty your existing waste tray and see if that resolves your problem. I'm going to show you how to do that. Remove these 6 screws on the waste tray. You might want to wear some gloves for the next step if you have them, but lift up gently this cover. This waste tray is quite full of old ink. Be careful, this can make a huge mess. Empty all this old ink into the trash. You can thoroughly wipe down and clean out this waste tray if you like. I'm not going to bother with that. I'll just reattach my cover, insert my screws. All 6 screws are reinserted. Wipe down the original waste tray. Clean up the inside of the printer also if you'd like a bit. You may also use some compressed air to clean this out. And reinsert your original waste tray. Of course, you can spend $20 on a new waste tray, but this alone, for free, may solve your problem. Reinsert the original, or ideally, the new belt unit. And finally, reinsert the original, or ideally, the new drum unit. Run a new test print. And there we have it. This print is much improved. Also, just so you know, the same procedure is very similar with even identical parts, some of them, to other Brother printers, including this printer. I hope this helps you with your project.